Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today, I want to show you this GoTrax Hoverfly adult scooter, electric scooter that this brand sent to me for this video. I'll show you how it looks and everything on a close-up in a few seconds. And of course, we're also gonna kind of like ride a little bit and I'm kind of like gonna explain you everything. But just the bottom line, this one is super fun. Number one, let's actually take a closer look. So number one, right here, you're gonna have a really nice grip to put your 2 feet in it. As you can see, not here, you're not gonna put your feet here, but right here. This one supports 220 pounds. And also you're gonna have, as I was saying before, a nice grip over here. Also, tires, these are gonna be fat tires, 10 inches tire, anti-flat tires. So with this one, we're gonna have the rest assured that you're gonna have kind of like a long range of miles with these tires, but also they're gonna be anti-flat. And right away, take this out, you also have this stand, so you can put it in the stand position. Also, let me show you something super particular in this one. Check this out. With this one, what you're gonna do is right here, you're gonna have kind of like the clip that you're gonna hook this entire thing. And then once you kind of like unclip this one, so I'll show you in this one that I was unclipping before, you're also gonna do this one right here. And once you unclip this one, you're gonna unclip this entire thing, and this is gonna, so I'm gonna say right here, fold, and you're gonna fold it back with this one. So with that being said, you can kind of like hook up the entire thing, which weighs about 37 pounds, so it's not super heavy. But let me show you another thing. This is gonna be your brake right here, which is gonna be the rear brake. Is the only one that you're gonna have right here, but also a few other things. So this one, I think it's super cute to have that one. Probably you're not gonna see too much because it's the middle of the day and we have a lot of sun coming from above, but this is gonna be your display. And here you're gonna see the battery and also how fast you're going, which by the way, this one can go up to 15.5 miles per hour. And this is gonna be your gas. This is gonna be kind of like how you're gonna engage, but you're gonna see that this one is nothing is happening, because you kind of like have to pedal once with your 1 foot, and then this one's gonna start right away. By the way, nice grip as well here. And if you're gonna go to the grocery store or something like that, you also have this kind of like hook right here for your bags. Last but not least, this one right here, with the click of a button, you have the night light, which is gonna be super nice to draw, kind of like ride it at night. And you also have brake lights on the back. So we're gonna take it out for a spin so you can see a little bit more, and we're gonna kind of like summarize everything for you in the background. But this thing is super fun, really easy to use, 220 pounds limit, 15.5 miles per hour on an 18-mile range with 10 inches fat tires. Super fun to use, super convenient to have, your best friend on commuting or just having fun, of course. So just to summarize, we're talking about the Hoverfly GXL Max electric scooter that is for adults or kids as well, like teenagers, I will say, with an anti-flat 10 inches tire with a max 18-mile range and 15.5 miles per hour. The top speed will be 15.5, but of course, the more you press, the faster you're gonna go. It's powered by a 300 watts motor. It is foldable. It is perfect for commuting as an e-scooter with EABS disc brake, big LED digital display as well. And of course, it is super comfortable. It is convenient for commuting just because it's foldable, and it's multi-terrain as well with the 10 inches fat tires.